So this is the same Mazda Miata 1.6. They were in the previous two videos, the one that was making all that racket. I've already pulled the exhaust cam and cleaned all the hydraulic lifter assemblies on that side. And I just finished pulling the intake cam and found the what I think is the issue here. So if you notice on the HLAs here, on the buckets here, have the HLA inside of them, when I push on them, they don't move. You can't push them down at all. They're stiff, right? You're trying to compress the valve spring. However, when inspecting these, I found this one right here. If you watch, see him squishy? I believe that was my problem right there. These should be completely solid right now. Now, once I've cleaned them, they don't have the oil in them anymore, and so they're going to make a whole lot of racket when I turn it on, but they're also squishy. If you look here, you can see this one is squishy like the other one, except it's squishy because there's no oil inside of the HLA anymore. This one hasn't been cleaned yet. It should be fine, but obviously it's not.